for today is we're going to put the bird stops in and support the overhangs on the eaves, gables. So you like to do it with asphalt so it'd make it look like the rest, but if I do it with asphalt, I got to buy asphalt shingle. I've got to buy some plywood. I think I've got the tar paper for it and shingle nails. But it'd be nice to have metal for the roofing, because we could do a water collection down over here. It's a lot easier. It's a lot better water if you do it off a metal roof than an asphalt roof. So,
why is that?
Well, you're just not getting all the granule and all the stuff from the asphalt shingles.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'll get the bird stops in and we'll go from there. Yeah, this is a bit. So I can get two of them 24 3/8. Cut them and we'll go from there.
So you're using these old 2x4s instead of the ones out of the pallets?
Well, yeah, they have to be solid, otherwise it's not going to stop a bird all that well.
Oh, okay. Do the bird, besides keeping birds out, do these stops add structural support?
Yeah, I suppose they do. They're just to keep critters out. That's all it is. If you have a gap under there, you're going to have birds in here and bees and
wasps and who knows what. Are you out?
I think I'm out.
This project.
Whoop. One screw.
Well, there you go. We'll have to go digging around in the garage.
Yeah.
How do you decide what you need?
Length. One.
Come on, look at all the peanut butter jars. There should be something up there.
Too big. Okay. Big enough.
So maybe you should label them?
Why do I need to label?
Oh, you can just tell by sight what they are.
I can see what they are.
I suppose, but
That's the beauty of peanut butter jars. I got screws in them, but they're not too long. Down to emergency nails.
oh no, emergency nails. Oh no.
This is the kind of, not necessarily this board, but this is the kind of strapping that we might be using. I got a whole bunch of pallet boards. What I mean by strapping is when you put metal roofing on, you gotta have at least 3 rows on this, so it supports the tin. So you'll put a row here.
Yeah.
Put one complete row that way, one in the middle, and one down at the end.
Oh, okay. So that's what you screw the metal roofing to.
Right.
Right.
Well, I'm sorting boards by thickness. A little thicker there, thick there. Because I'll get you to ham it from this pile here. We'll try and use this pile on this side of the roof.
Okay.
And another pile on the other side.
This is for the strapping.
Yeah. So.
Okay. So put the camera down and help.
Okay. I'll measure and cut. Keeps me from going up and down on a ladder so much.
Yeah.
But there's the mark.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what you do when you use this, you obviously keep your hand away from the blade, but you bring it down.
Yeah.
You get it close to the line.
Yeah.
You kind of turn it. Sometimes you can do a fake cut. I'm going to start it now.
Okay. Okay. So you want the pencil line on this side all the time?
Yeah, just kind of intersect. Leave a tiny bit of the pencil line.
Okay. So eat some of it off there, but give you the rest. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I squeezed this.
Push the little button on top.
Yes.
And then squeeze it.
I don't know. You've got 2 lines on here.
I don't.
Huh?
I don't.
You got a little short one, then you got a longer one.
Use the longer one.
All right. How many runs of those?
Well, I'm going to have to do 4. I'm going to do 1 at the bottom, 1 at the top, 1 mid-center here, about here.
Yeah.
But the reason I put 1 here is because of the bird stops.
Okay.
I want to make sure that we cover up that gap.
Right.
That's the only reason I'm doing that. that is just because we're bridging the gap here.
Because the boards weren't long enough?
The board wasn't long enough. Just going to put some bracing up, some corner bracing. And so we've got all the stringers in now for the roof, sheet metal. And I just want to put some diagonal bracing in. So we'll just use these. And,
those are bigger than we used on the greenhouse, aren't they?
They're longer.
What are you matching it up to?
Well, I'm just making sure because we've got to put boards in here.
Okay.
I just want to make sure it's not overhanging the top plate.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, we'll put a couple screws in there on each side.
Right.
And we'll just do all four corners.
Mm-hmm.
I may have to trim this this here.
Because you've got 3 2x4s in the front.
Yeah.
And only 2 in the back.
Like the shelving will be about this high on one side, so that'll help. And I could put corner braces in here too. You know, I mean, everything you add to the structure, I mean, it's a little bit it moves this way, but once you get this sheet metal on the outside and the boards on the outside, it gets a lot stiffer. It's the same as 2x4. If this was made of 2x4s right now, without the sheathing on the outside, you could shake it as well as this one. It's the outside sheathing that gives the structure the strength.
What about putting the rebar through the foundation?
Well, what that does is just, if you get a really, really high wind, it just doesn't move or shift the building, right?
Right.
That's the only reason you rebar it down. That strengthens up pretty good.
Yep. That's pretty good. She hardly moves.